Hi, in this video we're going to be using a calculator. These are calculator style questions. I'm looking to find the percentage change. So I've written some questions down here. So here's the original amounts and here's the new price. So here's the formula. The difference in prices over the original multiplied by 100. That's all you have to do. And the difference just means take one number away from the other. So let's look at number 1. So let's find the difference. So the difference is 120 take away 80. The difference in these two numbers is 40. So using our formula for number 1, the difference was 40 over the original amount. The original amount was 80. I'm going to multiply it by 100. So you can use your calculator, set it up just like it appears, and then you can't go wrong. So using this button here, this function button, as your fraction button, 40. Using this blue button here like a joystick, press it down to go to the bottom, put your 80, and then across, multiplied by 100, and it's 50% increase. 50% increase. Now I know it's an increase because the original number was only 80 and it's gone up to 120. So it's a 50% increase. Let's do the next one. So you find the difference in the numbers. So you're looking at 82.50 subtract 79.50. And you can actually just write it like that if you wished. And you can actually type that into your calculator, because this is the difference in the numbers over the original number multiplied by 100. And again, we can see this is an increase because it's gone from 79.50 to 82. So it's definitely going to be an increase. So if you type that into your calculator using your fraction button, 82.50 subtract 79.50 over the original of 79.50 multiplied by 100, and it says, so press the STD button if you get a fraction, 3.77 recurring. Let's go round up to one decimal place, 3.8, that's to one decimal place, and it's an increase, 3.8% to one decimal place increase. Okay, let's do number 3. Remember the formula. You want the difference in the prices, so you just take one number away from the other. So that can just go on the top like this, 640, take away 540, that's the difference in the prices over the original price. The original price was 540 multiplied by 100. So again on your calculator, using your fraction button, 6040, take away 540. On your denominator you've got 540, which is the original amount, and you're going to multiply it by 100. So just make sure you understand. Hopefully you can see that okay. Press equals, press S to D, and you've got 18.518. I'll just write all that down. 18.518, because it's got the recurring symbols on the top there, percent. And again, it was an increase because it went from 540 to 640. That was an increase. Nice and straightforward. Just use that formula all the time. Let's do the last one. The difference in the prices, 3600, take away 3405. So that would be the difference in the prices over the original amount multiplied by 100. Again, we can see it's an increase because it's gone from 3405 to 3600. So let's do 3600 subtract 3405. 3405 and times it by 100. And the answer is, I'll just do it to one decimal place, 5.7% increase. And that was to one decimal place. Normally in a question they'd specify if they want a certain degree of accuracy. So just remember the main formula at the top there. There it is. difference in the price over the original multiplied by 100, and that's found in percentage change.